It's sad to say that a fucking 2 Series is the fastest car I've been in.
Wanna drive it?
Hell yeah, bro.
Alright. Brake all the way down and gas all the way down within the same thing. Alright.
All the way down?
All the way down.
Alright, bet. Why did you roll like that? Did I do it wrong? Or you gotta do it at the same time?
You did it wrong. You gotta do it at the same time.
Oh shit, okay.
Hold down and hold down. That was more of a brake boost, but you didn't build up that much.
That's what I did in the other one, bro. And I was like, why this shit not working? How do you put it back and drive, bro? Alright.
Alright. Turn around.
Same time, both down, just
both down. Brake first, obviously. All the way down, then all the way down.
Do it matter? Like,
just hold it down, and then push the gas all the way down and hold it. And as soon as you see the checker flag, that's when you go.
okay. It's so violent, bro.
Yeah, it's ridiculous.
Oh shit. How you do a little pop, pop, pop shit?
Just let it downshift on its own. Just.
Oh, this shit is sweet.
Yep.
Bro, no way.
Boom, bam, bop, bada bop, boom, pow.
Bro, I think I fell in love again. Dog. This car is ridiculous. Yeah, 40 rows. They got the fuck on. They said this shit hot. Come on, drive.
Nah, you're good. Just lightly feather it. Alright, let's let it cool down.
This shit is crazy, bro. So, like, when it get hot or whatever, like you do a couple runs, do you lose boost?
No, it just gets heat soaked like any other car. You don't want to just keep running it back to back.
Bro, I cannot wait. I'm gonna have to go to Ohio and get that.
wheel spin too.
Yeah.
Cause I see you like jerking the steering wheel.
Oh. Is it a way to tighten this or no?
The way to tighten what?
Like the steering?
The steering, it's in Sport Plus. It's tight as it gets. You can feel the difference when you switch to comfort. It feels really loose.
Cause I swear, like in 340, that shit was tight when I put it in sport.
Well, it is newer. So.
Yeah, true.
Put it back in that mode, and that's whatever. Did you hear it spool up?
Yeah. It's gonna sound crazy once you do it. You know what you're gonna do. Bro, I love this car, bro. Like, people be hating on BMW, but like, I'm telling y'all, like, once y'all drive this bitch for real.
They can't even hate from that side of the club. They can't even get in one.
I'm telling you, y'all gonna respect this car. Once y'all drive, I don't care if you hate it, whatever. Y'all gonna respect this one. That shit don't make no fucking sense.
I'm usually not in the passenger either, and it feels way different.
Faster.
Yeah.
That's how I always do.
Felt like I was gonna drop the camera. Don't do that to him. Don't do that to him.
Yeah, I'm big dog. Tighten up.
It's starting to make those puncher pad.
This dude is a toner if y'all need a toner for y'all BMW.
Yes, sir.
You do all BMWs or?
I can do all BMWs. I specialize in the B58. Also do the new Supras. Okay. It's got the S58. I want to try one of those.
People looking at this bitch crazy. What the fuck is wrong with that?
Did you hear that?
Bro, this shit is obnoxious, bro.
It starts making ricochet sounds. This fucking pack-a-punch. I'm not worried how he's driving it. I drive it way worse every day. This is why I turned it down, just for him. He can't handle the full power of this yet.
I'll be acting his ass. Every shift though, it do not miss a shift without popping. Like,
yeah,
that shit is crazy. People gonna hate you more.
that's all right. I'm already UCM's most whiner.
Fuck. That shit is fun, bro.
Yeah, it's a lot of fun.
Yeah.
It honestly feels like a really powerful go-kart.
Fuck, bro.
That's very comfortable because it's
Like
still a BMW.
Swap luxury car. Like,
Right.
that shit is crazy. subscribe, all that good stuff. Follow my boy, Southwest_Loudy on Instagram.
Yeah, SW_Loudy.
Yeah.
Or subscribe to me on YouTube,
Yeah.
Pack a Punch 240.
I'm gonna put all this stuff under the video.
Yeah. All right, peace.